Greetings, Toby, Tobithan, Tobguire, Tobin, Tob... Wes here, and you're in the basement. So what video is the best? I have to say, I think I liked the bird. The bird was pretty damn cute, man. And I think that the bird was the word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Bird, bird. Bird is a word. What you know about the word? Everybody knows that the bird is a word. It is pretty damn freaking cute though that bird does move with the beat. I want some dance lessons from that bird, you know? Like, so you ready for your dance lessons? Heck yeah, I'm ready for my dance lessons. Alright, well, you gotta kinda just bob up and down and move up and down. Okay, like this? No, not like that. Kinda like... Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Like this. Yeah, good job. Now you almost look as cute as me. I wonder how long it took the owner to get the bird to do that. I mean, what was he doing? Like, come on, Chauncey. Come on, Chauncey. Come on. F***ing a-hole. Anyways, well, that's my vote for the best video clip of the show. I think the cute bird definitely wins.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about
that's
the
my
bird.
day. That's my day. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.